Welcome everyone to Living Tropically. If you are new here, my name is Chrissy. I love talking everything shopping, lifestyle in Florida because I moved here recently. I had an old channel and I converted it to a different type of modality, if you will. And this is now my new style channel. So I am now beginning to try to upload more here. So this is what my hair ended up looking after everything is said and done. I did highlight it and I did put in that pink hair mask. I wasn't really thrilled with the outcome, so I ended up going and getting ash blonde and golden brown, I believe it is, and I mixed them and I did get this hair color with that. So I am pleased with it. It looks pretty to me. You can still see the pink kind of coming through, but I know eventually that will fade away, but it looks cute actually with it. And I ended up cutting my own hair, as you saw. This is its style. This is basically what I had envisioned for the hair. I hope you guys like it. I was able to cut it myself pretty well because I have thicker hair and it's curly, so it can be more forgiving, I think. But you do have to do a lot of cut work on the ends for it not to look kind of crazy. And this is still kind of thick and I did go at it. I'm probably going to get thinning shears this weekend to go over it again.
Okay, so I am just going to flat iron my hair a little bit here to make sure it's all flat. I'm dry cutting my hair because it's really thick and curly. So
I'm really just gonna go section by section and cut it out. I'm doing this because I never really seem to get the haircut that I want when I go to stylists. I don't know what that's about. And like, I will do my research and try to go to like a decent salon, but like oftentimes they don't cut it short enough. One time somebody cut it like kind of lopsided and I had to get it corrected, and they still didn't cut it short enough. And it's just one of those things where I very rarely, only like a few handful of occasions, gotten haircuts, especially when they were short haircuts. I really enjoy them. So I'm going to attempt to just do this my damn self. I'm going to recut the bangs once I'm done, but I'm going to literally just point cut it. I have a pair of hair cutting scissors, which I just sharpened with my steak knife sharpener. I don't care, like, as long as they're sharp, and it seemed to have worked. So we are going to go in now.
and I'm just going to cut right across this.
Okay, I can't really see. Okay, here's how much I took off. Ooh, short. Kind of go in and I've already made the base basically, so I'm going to just follow that. There we go. So there is that. So I'm going to point cut now. This to be thick. It to be this short, so I'm super excited about it, to be honest. And this doesn't look that bad. Stay like very balanced. Look, it's actually fucking cute. I just gotta clip it a little and it's gonna be perfect. Shit. I can tell. There's like a dent.
That I said, okay, ASMR. If you're a realtor and you're into interior designing, you know, find out. You gotta find out how you can select things. That's why we do things. Because it's a better thing.
about in this video, I could talk about one of the new viral products that's kind of going around, that lip liner, the peel off. I tried it. They are cool, but they leave a little bit of like a blurred line around my lip, if you will. At least this one does. And this is not going to be like a huge craze that I get into. You can see here basically what that looks like, and that's pretty true. And for some reason, if you probably don't get the right color, or maybe if it's a color too close to your skin tone, it can give it like a blurred effect, almost like you've lined outside of your lips. And it is, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I do like it. I'll use it here and there when I'm doing brown makeup looks, but I don't think it's going to be something that I do every single day. But I definitely like the concept of it. Is that it does bleed. So that's the only kind of like downfall with this kind of thing. But that definitely was something different. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't that expensive, but it was expensive enough to where I wouldn't be buying multiples and going into the over consumerism. Also did get a couple of rings from Temu. This one right here being the first one. It is very beautiful. It only cost me a couple of bucks. I conserve these by not wearing them in the shower, taking them off if I'm doing anything that would screw them up. Definitely think it was worth the money, especially if you don't want to drop a ton of money on one of those expensive ones. You could probably coat this with clear polish and just get jewelry cleaner and make sure the stone stays clean. Don't wear it in the shower. Put it away in like velvet cloth, like, or one of them velvet containers, and I think it would keep, and it looks gorgeous. And another item that I got from there as well that does not look as nice, it looks cheaper, is this ring right here. This was like $6 or $7. So for the quality of like the few dollars that I paid for this, it's way kind of nicer than the quality than I would have expected for like a little bit more of a pricier ring. But then again, there are more studs on here and it is more detailed. So it's kind of like a $7 ring, what you expect. It's cute for costume. I will not be purchasing anything like this again. I have a few real ones insofar as they're gemstones and they are made of gold, so I will not be purchasing any more of these kinds of rings from there. Other things they got on Temu, this was a repeat because I thought it was beige, but it came in the same exact color that I had purchased it before. And I don't mind because I definitely like to wear this top. It's beautiful, but I thought it was beige in the picture and I swore it was, but they sent me this pinky one, but I'm not going to complain. And the other one that I got was a black one, which is so beautiful. I think it's so pretty. I almost put it on for this video because I thought it would be pretty with the darker hair and the red lip, but nonetheless, I think I'm probably going to maybe wear this tomorrow. And I got these for like $12 a piece on Temu. Let me show you my nails. That was a part of the haul as well. They are very cute. I have them on with just that sticky tape that they provide with it because I'm trying to take a break on my nails from any type of glue or false nails for a little bit to give them a breather. I'm doing the same with my toenails. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video of me just talking about my experience with my hair, detailing that process of what that looked like and how easily you can do it yourself. It just takes some time, patience, energy, and you would be saving yourself some money and also potentially just getting what you want done on pink hair was okay. I'm sure there would be people that would be okay wearing that, but I just didn't really love how patchy it came through, if you will. I wasn't in love with how it didn't evenly distribute over all the hair in a nice even tone. It was kind of like patchy, unfortunately. It's probably my fault because maybe the blonde hair wasn't blonde enough. But nonetheless, it is a lesson learned. Perhaps I will just buy a wig in the future and wear that since my hair is so short now. I'm pretty sure I may even have a pink wig like this. So in the future, hopefully you don't make the same mistake I did. But what I do love is this hair color for now. It's gorgeous, and it will probably come out even prettier with the highlights underneath. Until the next time, guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and remember to stay tropical. Bye, guys.